مرحبا وأهلا وسهلا فيكم. Hello and welcome. I help students like you speak Arabic and not just learn about it. My mission is to help you get speaking Arabic and overcome all the obstacles and difficulties that are between you and fluency. Before we start, why don't you visit the link down below to get your free copy of the Levantine Lebanese Spoken Arabic Conversation and Phrase Book, free of charge. Check the link down below. ويلا, let's begin.
مرحبا وأهلا وسهلا فيكم. Hello and welcome to more of Levantine vocabulary and common expressions. يلا نبلش. Let's begin. عملت هالشي عن قصد. عملت هالشي عن قصد. What do we mean by عن قصد? It means on purpose. So I've done so on purpose. عن قصد. قصد means purpose. And on the other hand, if you want to say, I didn't mean to do that, you can simply say بدون قصد, without purpose, literally. عملت هيك أو عملت هالشي بدون قصد. Next, التالي. عملت هيك غصبا عني. عملت هيك غصبا عني. What do we mean by غصبا عني? It means that I've done so forcefully or in spite of myself. غصبا عني. غصب means force. And the verb غصب is to force someone. غصب يغصب. For example, غصبني على الأكل. He forced me to eat. So غصبا عني means I was forced to do something. الحق عليك. الحق عليك. What do we mean by this very, very common expression? That's literally blaming someone. It's your fault. حق means literally truth or rightfulness. So it's on you, عليك, on you. So it's against you or on you. So that means it's your fault. However, on the other hand, if we say الحق معك, معك. In this case, مع means with. So it's with you or on your side now. So that means you're right. So الحق عليك, you're wrong or you're at fault. الحق معك, you're right. It's on your side. The truth is on your side. And this is a very common way of disagreeing with someone and blaming them. الحق عليك. Or saying that someone is right and that you agree with them. الحق معك. ما إلي علاقة بالموضوع. ما إلي علاقة بالموضوع. What could that mean? ما إلي علاقة. Very common expression. That simply means I've got no relationship to this subject or to the topic. So basically, it's nothing to do with me. I've got no hand in this, basically. علاقة is a relationship. So kind of like I've got no business in this. It's not my business. ما خصني. ما خصني. What do we mean by this very common expression as well? Basically, it's the same thing, and it's nothing to do with me. It's not my problem. It doesn't concern me. It's nothing to do with me, not my business. ما خصني. Next, ما دخلك. ما دخلك. Very common. All of those are really, really common and very frequently used in daily life. So if someone is trying to literally butt into your business and you want to put a stop to that, you can turn around and say ما دخلك أو ما دخلك. It's not your concern, literally. What does that have to do with you? Or mind your own business. ما دخلك, ما دخلك. وأخيرا, and finally, آخر همي. آخر همي. What could that mean? It's the least of my concerns. آخر is the least or the very last. Ham is a concern, and you might know that something مهم is important. Ham is a concern. آخر همي. I couldn't care less. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed the lesson, please do leave a comment because that really helps support the channel. شكرا وبشوفكن المرة الجاي. Are you ready to unlock the beauty of the Lebanese language? Introducing the Lebanese Mega Bundle, your gateway to mastering Lebanese spoken Arabic conversation. Whether you're a complete beginner or aiming for a higher intermediate level, my comprehensive courses have got you covered. No previous knowledge of Arabic is required. With the Lebanese Mega Bundle, you'll gain access to all levels of the program, from the very basics to advanced conversations. Plus, you'll even get access to future courses. And the best part, you can get it all for a one-off discounted price. That's right, unlimited lifetime access to my vast library of resources and the largest online course and resource platform specialized in Lebanese language learning. Worried about support? Don't be. With direct support available via the chat button during UK working hours, you'll never feel alone on your learning journey. So how does the online self-paced program work? It's simple. We all know that mastering a language takes time and effort. That's why I've packed the Lebanese Mega Bundle with everything you need to succeed. With over hundreds of hours of learning content, you'll have the resources and time necessary to achieve a near native level of fluency, which requires a minimum of 2,600 hours. Say goodbye to limited and overpriced or unverified online resources. The Lebanese Mega Bundle provides you with the largest online library of courses, quality videos, audios, flashcards, checklists, suggested activities, and study plans. You'll have downloadable written resources at your fingertips. From vocabulary to grammar, reading comprehension to conversation skills, you're covered. And to top it off, I've included a selection of interesting stories for you to savor. Need assistance? It's just a click away. If you have any questions or require support, simply use the chat button for help. If you require further one-on-one support and course feedback, as well as speaking practice, you can opt at any time to join my private Inner Circle Telegram study and support group for a minimal monthly fee, available only for the Lebanese Mega Bundle students. A safe and supportive, friendly space where you can practice your Lebanese and get personalized feedback. You can also book for discounted conversational online lessons, but remember, commitment is key. These self-paced and online courses in the program offer flexibility, control, and easy access to a wide range of resources. However, true progress requires effort and study hours. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting language learning journey? Enroll now in the Lebanese Mega Bundle and unlock all courses to start speaking Lebanese Arabic and to achieve your communication goals, whether it's chatting to family members in Lebanese or traveling to Lebanon or simply learning colloquial Arabic. Visit the website and join today. The Lebanese Mega Bundle awaits you. What do members who have bought the course say? Mitchell from the USA says, if you desire to be inspired to learn Levantine Arabic, Please sign up for the program. If you examine the amount of material and support provided in relationship to the very reasonable cost, you will see what a grand bargain it is. It's very inspirational and friendly too. Rosie from Mexico says, I've utilized many methods of learning Lebanese Arabic, and Angela's courses are by far the best.